Hey guys, it's Tom from AlansBMX and welcome to our second video on the We the People bikes range. This is going to be the bikes from £600 to £750 and we're going to have a third video as well that's going to show you higher end complete bikes like the Battleship and the MV and that. So keep an eye out for that video coming shortly. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So we got the We the People Reason. This one's a full chromoly frame, this one. It's got your 4-piece Salt handlebars on it as well. These are chromoly as well. Nice high top load stem. You get in the more square style crank on this, as well as Salt's actual solid 25 tooth sprocket. A clap brake again, full guards throughout, so front, and double rear, so you get drive side and non-drive side chain guards. You also get some Salt pegs included with that. Pivotal seat, pivotal post, integrated seat clamp as well on that, and obviously at this range you're obviously looking at a integrated headset and all that gyro tab goodness as well in case you want to go that way. So this one comes in two colors, so it's going to come in the matte pastel yellow, which is the one that we've got there, and the matte black as well, so pretty standard traditional sizing. 20.75 top tubes on this one, just one size. Yeah, and that one's coming in at £600 this year. Next one is the We the People Crisis, super popular favorite between a lot of the riders. Standard 2-piece bar on this particular bike. Comes in a few different sizes this year. So you've got 20.5 top tube and the 21-inch top tube in this matte black here, as well as a translucent olive, or basically like translucent green really. You've got your Salt Plus sprocket on that. It looks like the older Eclat kind of triple size chainring on that. A clap brake as well, pivotal seat and post, but with a slightly thinner seat than the other bike, than the Reason. You've got, again, guards all around. You've got your Eclat pinned rims on this, so the tripping rims, which are an aftermarket rim. You can buy aftermarket there, but they are a pinned rim. And this one is, you know, a cassette bike as well, compared to the Reason, which is a free coaster. So apart from the two colors and the two top tube sizes, it's coming in at $650 this year. You know, really decent, complete off-the-shelf bike. You know, again, a lot of these parts on these bikes you can buy aftermarket, which is the great thing about We the People, and them having Salt and Salt Plus and Eclat obviously as their other sister brands. So moving on from there, we're going into more of the more kind of skate park style bike. So the park offering here, which is, pardon me, the We the People Versus here. This is a 20.65 top tube, so pretty specific sizing. It's a much lower standover compared to the other kind of street styled bikes or more generic bikes. Gyro comes included, so you got a proper Salt Plus nice sealed gyro on that. Front load stem, but it's the proper We the People stem. 2-piece bars to match this kind of like rainbow sparkle color, I'd call it. So it's a purple to a kind of blue sparkle fade. Again, hub guards throughout, but you don't get the drive side hub guard. Salt Plus rims on this as well. And also you get the Salt tires on these as well. Also, you're moving up into a crank that's without the pinch bolt as well on this bike. So again, a really decent off-the-shelf park offering from We the People there. And then finally, the last bike for this video is going to be the We the People Trust, which comes in this spectacular rose gold color. Also comes in the matte black, classic matte black. Two different top tube sizes, 21-inch top tube and 20.75. It's got a bit of a higher standover than what we were looking at before. Again, more of a tubular crank, slightly different crank setup on this. Full guard setup as well, 2 front, 2 rear, including drive side. Pivotal seat and post, integrated seat clamp, integrated headset bearings, you know, you'll all expect that by now. Top load Eclat stem on this one as well, so nice, again, aftermarket parts sprinkled all through these bikes. Eclat brake as well. Integrated chain tensioners in the frame, which is always a nice touch. Super wide kind of bends in the stays there, so you can fit pretty big tires in the back. And of course, everyone's favorite, a free coaster in the back wheel there for those super sick backwards freestyle tricks. So that one's coming in at $750 for the Trust this year. Again, really high-end complete bike with the People rims as well on that. So yeah, that was our close-up look at the We the People bike. So we're going to have a third video coming up, which is the higher end We the People complete bikes, like the Battleship Complete and the MV. So if you want to check that out, make sure you stick around. We'll probably have it there if you want to watch the video. You can also subscribe down there and check out all our videos for time to come. So thanks for watching.